Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Coastal Cooking, coming at you here from my homestead today. We're in the middle of that big old Siberian polar vortex. Thank goodness down here in Mississippi we didn't get any of the precipitation really. We just got that severe cold, 15 degrees, stuff like that. So we ain't used to that, but you know what? We'll ride through it here for this Christmas. I want to bring y'all in here on a brisket I'm gonna do here for Christmas Eve tomorrow. A beautiful brisket here after trimmed up. We're going to marinate in this Allegro brisket. Feed and marinade, great stuff. And of course, I'm going to inject it down with some of the greatest stuff in the world. The Fat Works, Wagyu beef fat. But first off, we're going to get this marinated. Let it marinate about 6 hours or so. Just going to put about 2 bottles of this good Allegro brisket marinade. And you want to get that good stuff in the bottom of the jar on there. Oh man, it smells wonderful, y'all. And this stuff is the cat's pajamas right here. This is the good stuff. So yeah, well that's what we're gonna do. We'll marinate it in this. I'm actually gonna flip them over and let them marinate, but I just want to make sure I got all that good. See that good stuff? Good stuff right there. Get that all over it. Anyway. That's what we got there. Let it marinate a few hours. I'm gonna get them on the cooker a little bit later. See y'all. Merry Christmas. I'll check this out now. We got the brisket out of the marinade. We're gonna put them on good rub. I like the Sure Shot Sids. It's roasted coffee gunpowder. Fantastic brisket rub here. We're gonna soak them down with that real good on this side. And then I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna get the grill ready. We're gonna put this choker on just like this here in a little bit. But we let this soak for probably about 6 hours in that marinade. Get that pretty color on it, okay? Right now we're just gonna put a little layer of rub right on top of it. Folks, we have got the Lone Star Pellet Grill loaded up in Lumberjack Competition blend pellets, running about 225. And here's the kicker, it's 19 degrees out tonight. Super cold, so we're gonna be putting this to the test, y'all. See how this is cooked. So this will be our Christmas Eve brisket. Put this bad boy on. Alright. Here she blows. Check on her in the wee hours of the morning probably. Woo, it's cold out here. Alright y'all, this morning this brisket smoked about 12 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it. It's only hit about 150. It's just so cold out here. It's 19 degrees now. We had to crank the heat up more. I don't want to do that. I'm gonna take a chance to dry it out. Plenty of smoke. We're gonna wrap it up and finish it off. All right. Hopefully y'all can see this. I set the brisket down in there to be wrapped. Woo, it's cold out here. I got some melted Wagyu beef tallow and some beef consomme. And we're gonna put that in the wrap here. Spoon out the way. That's what we're going to use for the juice, for the wrap, and goodness of the brisket. So we get that wrapped in here before it spills out all over the table. Get this sucker back on the cooker. All right, so that's what we wrap that up in. I'll get right back to y'all.